Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock new character Knuckles in Sonic Speed Simulator. So I made this video, it's for beginner. So let's start. This is Knuckles. This is your first main quest. So in order to unlock this Knuckles or earn Knuckles, you have to complete 5 tasks. Collect 25 Chaos Orb, collect 100 rings, collect 3 sky rings, collect 200 rings and reach level 10. So you can get all or fulfill all the mission, just race or just play this game, so you will automatically complete the mission and get the Knuckles. So just race like this, try to collect all the mission recipient, and now you can unlock the Knuckles. So here we go. This is the character and this is Knuckles. Let's equip it. Here we go. This is the Knuckles. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.